Welcome to Atomy Bangladesh again. Today we are gonna know how to do Atomy UK consumer membership. So let's start with Global Atomy. So it's the same thing, we are doing Global Atomy. As you can see is the Global Atomy page, and here in here it says the Korean, it means the Korean language, so we are going to change it into English. So now you can see actually the whole page are translated into English. So let's start our membership. Before doing that, you can see on the right hand corner of your web page it says Atomy Hub. Click on Atomy Hub, and just right after Atomy Hub you can see so many things in here, but for shopping mall it's actually for buying Atomy products, for purchasing Atomy products you have to go to the shopping mall, and Aja Mall is the other products like Samsung and other products in there, and channel Atomy for the video contents about the Atomy products and news, what's gonna launch, and everything about the products, and even the Atomy news are in there. So and Atomy ticket is the about global seminars. So in my office what we are gonna get, we are gonna get in there. If you have the membership, then you are gonna go in there, then you can check your membership information and everything in there. And here, so for membership, because though we can do on anything in my office without our membership, so we have to do the membership first, right? So here the join, we're gonna click on that, and it's showing the affiliated countries like in the registered region and everything in there, and what's the age, everything, the age you are eligible for the membership, you have to actually check on that. And here the global consumer memberships are open right now. So how many countries you can see, it's 47 countries, so you can check on that. And here it's Korea, so let's click on that, and here we can see United Kingdom, which is UK. So go to website. So here we can see here we have three options. One is member information, one is if you have a sponsor you don't need to worry, you are just going to beat it. And the last thing is if you don't have a sponsor, then what you are gonna do. So first, though I have member information, if you are a member, then you can go in there and you can actually like get the registration guideline and everything in there. And the next one is yes, I have a sponsor. That means like if you have a sponsor, you know someone introduced you, so whoever introduced you to Atomy, that means she or he have a ID already, they have an ID, so you can just get in there and do your membership with their ID. And here another thing, no, I don't have a sponsor, so what should we do? If you don't have any sponsor, then no need to worry, because though you don't have any sponsor, you can go in there and you will get an sponsor automatically, because the nearest Atomy will choose the nearest area for you for your sponsor, so you don't need to worry. But it's better to have a sponsor, because someone should support you for your team. So let's do it. Here we have yes, I have sponsor, so I'm going in here. We can see the membership information, the registration. For the registration, first step is this. So this one is the membership guide. Please, I'm requesting you, please read everything in there, because before you do the membership you need to know everything about the guidelines and everything about the membership. What will happen after you with your ID. It's about regarding the products, if you actually like the exchange of products, and after you purchase the products, what's gonna happen, and everything, the withdraw and everything is in there. So I'm gonna check everything in here, check all the pre-subscriptions, and so I'm agree to their all the agreements, and then next. Here we are in the second step, and the second step is what? It's the term and conditions about the membership. So you need to sign it up. So before signing it on, you need to check the agreement, right? Because whatever you do before signing anything, you need to check on the agreement peacefully. Just check it, just read it for once. And here is the everything you see about membership, and everything is in there. So after checking everything, though I have already done so many memberships, so I don't need to read it again. I'm not gonna read it, but you should read everything, like the general terms and conditions, then privacy and security. And though I have read everything and I know, so I'm agree with it. So let's click on it and go next. So the third page is the verification page. The verification page is what? It's about, like, it's not like as other, it's very simple and very easy. It's only asking you about your name, your birth date, and your mobile verification. So the mobile verification is gonna be your mobile number here, and but everything is in here, you can see it. So first we're gonna give the name, and then birth date, and then everything. So one thing you have to ensure, whatever the name is in the name of yours, you have to put it according to your passport or your ID card. So please remember, it should have to be the same name as your passport or your ID card. So let's do it. Let me put everything in there. So according to your passport, your given name on the passport is your first name, and the surname is your last name. So I'm gonna follow that one. Please recheck when you give the names, when you put the names in. And here now I'm going to give the birth date. So I have put everything in there already, and I confirmed the mobile number, and then this mobile number you have to check on here, like this mobile number I have to register in the member name, not others number, it has to be the member name. So after that I'm gonna click on next, and here you can see they are actually like asking for the person, these are the personal information. So would you like to share it with the location, notice that data storage, with the membership with the Atomy, and your personal information will be shared with Atomy, and also they are gonna keep it stored in their database. Okay, so I have to give agree. So this is the page you are actually like now seeing. The page, it's about all about your information, your personal information. So here it shows like name local, like is whatever you are using. As I said earlier, you have to put the same name as your passport or your ID card. So please just don't mess up with this thing. You have to actually like you have to follow that thing. So let's put the information in there, and here is the password. You have to put the password, and the password should be your own. You shouldn't share it with anyone. And the guest password you can actually share, but they can't actually with the guest password no one can buy anything from Atomy, but they can actually like see every products and everything in there, but they can't use your ID. So you have to put the guest password in there, and here is your email and then address. And if you have any spouse, then you can actually like give their information in there. And though as a married couple, Atomy rules is as a married couple the membership will be the only one membership for husband and wife. For your partner it will be like only one member ID. So if you are married, then you have to put your spouse name in here. If I click it, then you can see here is it. You have to give the name of your now I'm gonna click on okay. Here I will receive Atomy news, so I wanna keep her updated about Atomy, so I just click on that. I will receive Atomy news. So after that I'm gonna click on next. When you click on next, it's actually it's gonna take you in the sponsor ID page. Here you have to give the sponsor ID. If you give the sponsor ID, then it will show in here the sponsor name and the center name of your sponsor. If you want to keep your center as your sponsor, then choose this one. If you don't wanna choose your same as your sponsor one, then you can choose the other one. Like you can choose the other one, though the UK is not listed in here right now, so I'm gonna choose Korea, and the sponsor ID I'm gonna give, that's the Korean center, so that's in the Korean center, so I will choose the same center as the sponsor. Now I'm gonna put the sponsor ID in here. I put the sponsor ID in here, then I'm gonna click search. Though the ID I'm using, it doesn't have any members yet, so whatever member I'm gonna put, it's gonna take the left side automatically. It will go on the left side automatically, so I'm gonna choose it, and here you can see it shows the name, and the center name is in there, it's in Korea, so I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna continue my sponsorship. I have put all the information in there, so I'm gonna click on next. The congratulation page and Atomy membership registration is completed. This was all about the Atomy membership, UK membership. One thing, this is consumer membership. Soon the UK branch will be open. So this is for today. See you, bye bye. If you like our video, give a thumbs up, and please stay with us and subscribe our channel. You're gonna find out the product information in there and all about Atomy in there, so just stay with us. Bye.